Now we've already finalized the delivery and billing address. This time we will show to you on how to process the shipping or delivery of items to your location. So in step 11, choose a shipping option. Under Shipping tab, there are 6 or more shipping options in Organic Veggie Mommies to choose for. The first 4 options are OVM via Lalamove. In this option, your item will be delivered directly to your delivery address, but you will be charged a shipping fee depending on your location. There are selected areas in OVM via Lalamove with a shipping fee. If your location is in Parañaque or Pasay areas, you'll be charged a minimum of 150 pesos. If Taguig area, you'll be charged a minimum of 110 pesos. If Pasig or Quezon City areas, you'll be charged a minimum of 100 pesos. If Alabang area, you'll be charged a minimum of 50 pesos. You also have to take note, the delivery of items are every Wednesday only. The shipping fee will be added directly to your payment later at Payment tab. The last 2 options with Organic Veggie Moms logo are in-store pickup. In this option, you'll have to go and pick up the items with no charge, directly in Organic Veggie Mommies stores. There are 2 branches of Organic Veggie Mommies. The first one is in Titalineos 345 Casa Street, San Miguel, Manila. And the second one is 393 Unit D 𝐒𝐭𝐞𝐩 Street, San Miguel, Manila. Once you're decided, choose and click the small circle icon beside the shipping option. For this example, I select OVM via Lalamove to Pasig, Quezon City areas. Below the shipping options, click the checkbox icon to agree terms of service. Then click again. Proceed to Checkout button to continue at Payment tab.